Asan na yung ano? Okay. So, gawin nyo isang piraso, balik sa iyong anak, tapos sa iyong partner, tapos i-click nyo kung sa iyong partner, tapos balik muli agad kayo. One at a time. Okay? Okay, so, dapat hindi ganun high, hindi ganito. Isa-isa. Okay, isa-isang piraso, bawat tapos balik doon. Okay? Isaya na yung kanan. Okay. So, one at a time. Okay? So, the more click, the more chances of winning. Okay? Alright, so, are you ready to play? Say happy birthday, Shay! Alright. Okay, so now, let's start together in... Okay. Dahan-dahan lang ha. Wala tayong insurance. Meron naman tayong insurance sa no hospital. Pero ayoko naman na magkaroon tayo ng insurance. Para at least safe tayo. Dahan-dahan lang. It's a good cardio exercise. Okay, are you ready? And 3, 2, 1, go! One at a time. Go, go, go! Exercise mo ko eh. Ayan na. Ang ganda ng cardio exercise ng mga mommies.
Nagutom.
Nagutom. Oo, pagkatapos itong 5 days, magpa-lunch na tayo. Okay? Sige pa, bilisan nyo. Ang dami pang kids. Lapan, mami.
Lala, ikain na ako.
Is it true that you want it? Then act like you need it. Ay, di ba pa? Words watching. Dalawa na lang. Yay!
Go, mami! Go, mami! Go, mami!
Okay, palakpakan naman yung mga mami. Okay. Grabe yung effort nila, no? Nahingal na ba lahat? Yay! Cardio exercise, right? Okay, let's start from Bon and Mami. What is your name, Mami? Mami Tina and Bon. Okay, come here, Bon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, too big. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Bon and Mami Tina got 16. Ito ano ba, Bon? Okay, Mami Maan and Lisa got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15! At yun naman ito! We have Janet, right? Jello and Mami?
Julie.
Mami Julie. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, it's a tie! 15! Okay, but we have Bon and Valentina's leading the game. Okay, we have Janet and Ate.
Tita Mar.
Tita Mar. Tita Mar. Okay, Tita Mar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13! Alright, congratulations! 2! Valentina! 1! Okay, say happy birthday, EJ!
Happy birthday, EJ!
Roar! Say roar! Okay, Mami tayo na. Say happy birthday, EJ!
Happy birthday, EJ!
Okay. Okay, may I request 4 volunteers.